Hey, welcome. Greetings to everybody, whenever you are. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. So let's catch up for a short market update. What's happening? This Bitcoin price movement, this chart is making us really crazy. So as you guys know, we had this huge downward movement here in the past few weeks, and now we find some consolidation in this symmetrical triangle. Bitcoin dipped at almost 1, 2, 3 times around 30,000 US dollar, and the last time as Bitcoin built this symmetrical triangle, just dropped out from this triangle, broke down, and visited the 31,000 US dollar 2 days ago, and now just pumped back into the triangle, and it seems to be it's breaking out on the other side. So what can we expect here? So let's just see, we have some nice volume here. So the volume went down during this when Bitcoin price was traded in this symmetrical triangle. The volume just went down, and now as we got closer to the apex, the volume increased. We did see first a kind of breakout thing, but it was a fake out, and then break down, but it's maybe it's deeper, just a fake out, but the Bitcoin price just went back into the triangle, and now it seems to be breaking up from here. So what can happen? So I think just see what will happen at 38,000 at this level, because this should be crucial if the Bitcoin price wanna continue its way up to the 42,000 resistance level. So we have a really big resistance at 42,000, but first Bitcoin should consolidate here and should go about 37,500 and 38,000. So this is how I see this chart, but this movement makes people really crazy. So this is where people want to go short because they think that it will break up, and they are placing long orders, and then just the price dumping back, and all the longs are liquidated. And then people becoming so scared here that placing shorts, and then we see a kind of short squeeze. So what we see here is more likely a short squeeze. So if you look into the open long and open long short positions, then it seems to be a short squeeze. So what will happen when this short squeeze has been finished? Then we will see if the price can go about 37,500, 38,000, and then target the 42,000. So I think below 42,000, everything just happening here is a kind of consolidation. I think the more likely, if Bitcoin will sidewaysing here and not breaking even the 42,000 up or the 30,000 down. So also we can say that maybe this is a kind of pennant, that it's a continuation pennant or something like that. It's a kind of flag, and as there is a downtrend, this pennant would continue downwards. So also it's hard to say what to do. If you believe that this is a continuation pennant, that opening short here, that would make sense, because then you can short until this trend line, or expecting maybe just breaking this down here. But if you believe that Bitcoin will break out here, then you should definitely wait. And so if you will open a short, just place some stop loss somewhere here in this region. But if you think that Bitcoin is breaking out, then wait for the confirmation and then opening a long. That would make sense here, somewhere here. So even if you want to place a short, be careful and place stop loss somewhere here. And then you have just a small loss if the market is going in this direction. But that would make sense if you can short to the downward trend line. But if the price is consolidating about this 37,500 and then rebouncing here, retracing here, then opening a long and targeting at least 42,000, the next resistance would make sense. So this is how I would play it, and more likely that we will not see Bitcoin breaking all these this channel. So I think there is a channel here between 40,000, 42,000 and 30,000. So I think that even if it would break down, that maybe from here the price just would come back and doing more consolidation in this zone. So if we check what's happened in January, then we see that also the Bitcoin price consolidated in this range almost, let's say, almost 36 days or even 40 days. So it consolidated 40 days in this range. And now also we see that Bitcoin is consolidating in this range for now, let's say 24 days. So we have some few weeks to consolidate in this region. And if Bitcoin will so and not dropping below the upper trend line at 30,000, then we can expect some stronger upside movement, as this level will be defended hopefully by the bulls. Ethereum looks a little bit weaker than Bitcoin, but also we expect that Ethereum will follow Bitcoin, but now it seems to be weaker, so even has not yet tested back the upper trend line of the horizontal triangle. So first we should see how Bitcoin will consolidate or break up or break down, and then I think we can take some positions in Ethereum. And most of the other altcoins are pumping really nicely. When we check our bubble charts, we see that few coins are pumping really well. Kusama, DOT with the parachains, and also, yeah, BTC nicely wrapped. BTC the same. Quantum, Ampliford, Neo, San, Vazirix. We got some good news from India, and Luna. Yeah, so they are pumping well, and few small coins. So this is for the short-term short analysis here. Let's see you later in the daily crypto news, and check the charts and trade careful, be patient, don't FOMO in, and don't get with full fear. And what I'm talking about here, it's not a financial advice, it's just for educational purposes, but it's better you also you are doing your analysis on the chart. So see you soon, enjoy your day, bye bye.